Copenhagen weight loss recipe 13 days mad 12 kilograms. Is the Copenhagen recipe really amazing? The Copenhagen diet is a 13-day weight loss recipe that is circulating online. The Copenhagen recipe is to use a short period of time to break the balance of the human energy supply. In the short term, you can lose about 10 pounds. It can help you burn more calories and still work after you finish the recipe, but it is difficult to perform. However, there have also been rebounds. Therefore, it is recommended that after you lose weight, you should pay attention to keeping and doing more exercise. Copenhagen 13-day weight loss recipe. First day, 8th day. Breakfast, a cup of black coffee, a cube of sugar. Chinese food, 2 boiled eggs, 1 tomato, boiled spinach, unlimited amount. Dinner, 1 steak 200 grams, lettuce with olive oil and lemon mixed, unlimited. Second day, 9th day. Breakfast, a cup of black coffee, a cube of sugar. Chinese food, 200 grams low-fat ham, a box of natural yogurt 200 grams. Dinner, 1 steak 200 grams, lettuce and olive oil, other oils are also available, and lemon mixed, unlimited. Third day, 10th day. Breakfast, a cup of black coffee, a cube of sugar, a slice of toast. Chinese food, 2 boiled eggs, 1 ham, lettuce salad. Dinner, boiled celery, a tomato, a fresh fruit. Fourth day, 11th day. Breakfast, a cup of black coffee, a cube of sugar, a slice of toast. Chinese food, 200 milliliters orange juice, 200 grams natural yogurt. Dinner, 1 boiled egg, a large carrot chopped raw, a piece of 200 grams white cheese. Fifth day, 12th day. Breakfast, a large carrot chopped and sprinkled with lemon juice. Chinese food, 200 grams cooked squid can be replaced by squid or turbot, sprinkle with lemon juice, a spoonful of butter. Dinner, 1 piece of 200 grams steak, fresh lettuce salad, fresh celery pieces. Sixth day, 13th day. Breakfast, a cup of black coffee, a cube of sugar, a slice of toast. Chinese food, 2 boiled eggs, a large chopped carrot. Dinner, half a chicken, lettuce salad, mixed with olive oil, other oils are also available, lemon juice. Seventh day. Breakfast, a cup of tea without sugar. Chinese food, don't eat, drink a lot of water. Dinner, 200 grams lamb, 1 apple.